In this quick guide, you'll learn how to close your Etrade account efficiently and without any hassles. Whether you're moving to a new brokerage or simply done with trading, this tutorial will ensure you can close your account smoothly. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure all your open positions are sold or transferred to another brokerage account. This is crucial because Etrade requires that there are no open trades or holdings left in the account before it can be closed. Take your time to ensure everything is properly settled. If you're transferring assets to another brokerage, make sure to follow the specific instructions provided by both Etrade and your new brokerage to avoid any complications. Once your positions are dealt with, the next step is to withdraw or transfer any remaining cash balance from your Etrade account. This can be easily done by transferring the funds to a linked bank account. Make sure your bank account is correctly linked and verified to avoid any delays. If you're unsure about the linking process, double-check your account settings or reach out to Etrade support for assistance. After you've ensured that your account balance is zero and there are no pending transactions, you're ready to proceed. Log into your Etrade account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the top of the page where you'll find the support option. Click on it and then select either Message Center or Contact Us. This is where you'll submit your request to close the account. Be sure to provide any additional information Etrade might require. They may ask for a reason for closure or other verification details, so be prepared to answer any questions they might have. Alternatively, if you prefer a more direct approach, you can contact Etrade customer service directly. Speak with a representative who will guide you through the account closure process. Whether you choose to submit your request online or via customer service, rest assured that Etrade will handle your request promptly. Once your closure request is processed, you will receive a confirmation that your account has been closed. Keep an eye on your email inbox for this confirmation, as it serves as proof that the account has been successfully terminated. This process generally does not take long, but timelines can vary depending on the specifics of your account and any pending transactions. And that's how you close your Etrade account. Ensuring all your positions are closed, your funds are transferred, and that you follow Etrade's closure protocol will make this process straightforward. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.